of Botnia, and here's how I got here.
My epic adventure in Finland. मैं यहाँ अपनी फैमिली के साथ आई हूँ to celebrate my birthday week for 8 days. इस सीरीज के पार्ट 1 में we explored the capital of Helsinki and made a day trip to Estonia, saw northern lights from my class igloo and also dipped in ice cold water in -27 degrees. And now Jenna, our Finnish guide from JE Travels, is taking us on a beautiful road trip from Sariselka to Rovaniemi over snow-clad roads and bridges over frozen rivers.
Driving around in Finland is definitely one of the must-do things. We are on our way to Rovaniemi from Kakslautinen Arctic Resort, and what a beautiful drive it's been.
और अगर आपकी ट्रिप ऑलरेडी JE Travel से booked है, so no hassle or searching for restaurants or deciding what to eat, as all your meals, including vegetarian meals, are already planned and pre-booked. Tankavara Gold Village is known for its gold mining experience, and we made a pit stop here for lunch, soaking into the rustic charm and enjoying a hearty meal before continuing our journey. But सच बताऊं, the journey in itself is so beautiful. हमने तो रास्ते में ही एक stopover लिया to click some photos and videos. A 3-hour drive away on the other side of the Arctic Circle lies this extraordinary haven of frost and fantasy. The Arctic Snow Hotel, located in Rovaniemi, offers a unique and unforgettable experience.
This is one of the largest snow hotels in the world, where everything is made of ice. The beds, the table, the bar, and even the restaurant. Can't believe it, people actually sleep on this slice of ice with reindeer blanket and of course in a sleeping bag. But truly, it's one of a kind experience where everything here is made of snow, and they build it fresh every winter season. But it's a little too cold for me, so I'm going to check myself into Arctic Light Hotel.
आज का दिन कुछ ज़्यादा ही स्पेशल है because it is one of the bucket list moments. Rovaniemi city center से 1.5 घंटे दूर, our transfers were already arranged from the hotel to the port of Kemi because we are going to embark on Shampoo Icebreaker cruise.
This morning, I'm embarking on a once-in-a-lifetime cruise, sailing through the frozen waters of Botnia Sea in Lapland in an icebreaker ship. Now, from the sound of it, it seems as if we are going to break the ice with the ship, and I hope it's not the other way around because I've seen the film Titanic and it's very nice to watch and not very nice to experience. Let's see what's in store.
months में गल्फ ऑफ बोटनिया का सरफेस एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड टेम्परेचर्स की वजह से फ्रीज हो जाता है. दिस कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ फ्रीजिंग टेम्परेचर्स, रिड्यूस सनलाइट, low salinity and high levels of organic matter contributes to the water appearing black and frozen during the winter season. What a sight this is. You know, the ship is literally breaking the ice paving its way on a frozen landscape, and the thickness of the ice is about 45 centimeters. It's a rare opportunity to see an icebreaker like this. We are at Gulf of Bothnia, literally between Sweden and Finland. इस 60-year-old ship का mechanism समझने के लिए हम एक guided tour पर गए through all 7 decks of this incredible boat. ये icebreaker ship अपनी unique technology और power से ice को break करती है, making way for the cargo ships to pass through. And at one point ये ship halt हुई in the middle of the ocean ताकि हम passengers इस frozen ocean पर walk और swim कर सकें.
Can't believe this, but we are literally walking on a frozen ocean. How does it feel, guys?
My God, magical.
So good. So good, isn't it? Look at this. The ship is right here, which means we are in the ocean. Wow, I just hope this frozen surface doesn't just break open. Well, it doesn't. They say it's totally safe, which is why we are here. Let's click a picture. This is truly an Instagrammable moment.
What's even more Instagrammable is to swim in the icy water. So Ziana and I wore a waterproof survival suit and headed to the ocean.
Well, I can't believe this. Ziana and I, looking like penguins, will be floating in the frozen sea. This is the Gulf of Bothnia between Finland and Sweden. It's so difficult to talk like this. This suit is fully waterproof and we won't get cold in this ice cold water. Okay, so let's go. Can't wait.
We could easily float on our backs as we kept our chin close to the chest and moved arms to get close to ice. Truly an unforgettable experience. इस survival suit ने ना हमें गीला होने दिया और हमें ठंड से भी बचाया. And I'm glad Ziana didn't chicken out last minute as we both received a cruise and swim certificate just for some boasting rights. After a long day at the seas, dinner के लिए हम गए to a fine dine Finnish restaurant. Trying local food is an enjoyable experience as long as you know what to order, and JE Travel suggestions helped big time.
This is one place where Christmas is celebrated all year round because this is the official hometown of Santa Claus. Welcome to Santa Claus Village in Rovaniemi.
Whether you seek adventure, culture, or simply enjoy the magic of Lapland, Rovaniemi invites you to experience the wonders of the Arctic in every season.
Santa Claus Village is right on the Arctic Circle, and right now I'm going to be stepping on the other side of the Arctic Circle. 1, 2, 3 here. I'm going back. Santa Claus is currently in his office. I want to go and ask him why he has not been sending me Christmas gifts for so many years. Let's go and ask him.
So where India you come from?
Mumbai. Have you been
Mumbai.
there?
Yes, I know where is the Mumbai. It's
You
the
know?
west side of the India.
Oh yes,
Yes,
absolutely.
it is.
Yes.
Yeah.
Where we make all the movies, the
Yeah,
Bollywood
that,
movies.
yes, I know
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. She wants to know why haven't you been sending gifts for her?
Really? Now I need to discuss with my elves that. Because they are telling me who needs to have all the features.
यहाँ बहुत सारी फन एक्टिविटीज हैं, नॉट जस्ट फॉर किड्स बट ऑल्सो फॉर एडल्ट्स। बट सबसे बड़ा हाईलाइट होगा दी हस्की स्लेज राइड। Huskies hold a very special place in the Finnish culture and they are widely admired for their strength, endurance and their loyalty. I'll be going on a husky ride and trust me, it's not considered as animal cruelty here.
Husky ride in Finland. These are the huskies.
Okay, so we have 12 huskies taking us through a snowy runway, and this is so much fun. Ziana, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Ziana loves dogs, so this is really a dream ride for her. This is Santa Claus's official post office on the Arctic Circle, and Ziana is sending a postcard to her Dadi Ma in Mumbai from Rovaniemi. Let's go. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, show the postcard. We're literally here on the Arctic Circle.
It's day 7 in Finland and JE Travels has made us try different cuisines including Indo-Chinese. हम जा रहे हैं to Golden Bowl and Dim Sum restaurant to enjoy food that reminded us of home.
Wow, इतनी खुशी हो रही है ना ये देखकर. Well, this is one of the few places in Finland where you will get masala chai and samosa. But this is exclusively for the JE Travels customers. We are at Golden Bowl and Dim Sum at Rovaniemi, and we're going to enjoy some Indo-Chinese food because the chef here is from India, and some delectable samosa, spring roll, chai along with some Chinese food. Can't wait to dig in. Back in the city center of Rovaniemi, you know what they say, the chase is more fun than the prize. Well, let's hope tonight we enjoy the chase and we get the prize, because we are going to hunt the northern lights. Going to drive away from the city center to see the clear skies and maybe the dancing sky. Well, as you know, there's a lot of science behind the northern lights, and as I can see here, the activity, or rather the solar activity today looks very strong, stronger than the last 3 days. These guys have cameras installed everywhere, so we are heading in a direction where the sky is clear and the activity is high. So let's hope for the best, fingers crossed.
Chasing the northern lights in Finland is an exhilarating adventure filled with anticipation and excitement. Willer, our expert guide, led us on a journey through the wilderness. बस जब लग ही रहा था कि आसमान अब कैनवस ऑफ कलर्स में ट्रांसफॉर्म होगा, बस तभी ही बादल आने लगे और हमारी उम्मीदों और आसमान को पूरी तरह से घेर लिया. As per the statistics, the activity was on, but not visible. नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स का दिखना सन एक्टिविटी, क्लाउड कवर और हमारी किस्मत पर डिपेंडेंट है. पर फिनलैंड सिर्फ इसी उम्मीद से ना जाए, क्योंकि यहाँ और भी करने को बहुत कुछ है. हम नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स को चेस करते करते ऑलमोस्ट रशिया के बॉर्डर तक पहुँच गए. Of course we were disappointed, but Willer, our guide, turned around the situation. कुछ रात के 12 बजे वो हमें लेकर गए एक ट्रैक पर to the mystical white forest of Finland, guiding us to the snow-covered trails.
Okay, 200 meters away from the main road, we are now inside a jungle in an open space where they have a teepee here. It's a small little tent bonfire, and I'm told we are somewhere near the border of Russia. And with the hope that we will see the dancing sky tonight, as of now, let's go enjoy some hot chocolate and bonfire. It's a cold winter night in Finland.
Okay, so now we'll make the fire, enjoy some chocolate, but we need to stay silent. Otherwise we will wake up the beast in the forest and we end up dying.
We don't want that, do we?
Yeah.
This is really thick. Okay, it's not like a regular matchstick. I've never seen anything.
You need to do it a little harder.
Okay.
More pressure. Yeah, no.
Oh, because I'm just staying prepared. What if I'm stuck in a jungle sometime? A few tips and tricks.
Steaming cups of hot chocolate, warm berry juice, sizzling vegan sausages over a crackling bonfire, and the warmth of camaraderie as we shared stories and laughter under the skylit sky. ये impromptu adventure with Willa हमारी trip का highlight बन गया. A testament to the magic of Finnish hospitality and the spirit of adventure that thrives in the wilderness of Finland. अगले दिन हमने फ्लाइट ली टू हेलसिंकी, जहां हमने चेक इन किया इन वन ऑफ द मोस्ट लग्जूरियस होटल्स वेयर आई हैड टू एंजॉय द सोना. ये 8 दिन हमारी लाइफ के सबसे यादगार दिन रहेंगे. नॉट ओनली बिकॉज फिनलैंड इज सो ब्यूटिफुल, बट इट इज ऑल्सो बिकॉज अपनी फैमिली के साथ ट्रैवल करने की बात ही कुछ और होती है. नई जगहें घूमना, न्यू एक्सपीरियंसेस और चैलेंजेस को सामना करना फैमिली स्ट्रेंथ को मजबूत करने के लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है. तो आप भी प्लान कीजिए एक फैमिली ट्रिप टू फिनलैंड. दुनिया की सबसे हैप्पीएस्ट कंट्री आपको जरूर हैप्पी कर देगा. बुक कीजिए विद JE Travels फॉर अ हैसल फ्री ट्रिप एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू यूज कूपन कोड CT Finland to snag a sweet 10% off on your package. You're welcome and thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Curly Tales.